Okay, welcome back, Jebel Ali. In this tutorial, we're going to add two sprites that we're going to use to control our rocket. This will be a left arrow and a right arrow. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus sign and I'm going to paint new sprite. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw a triangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle up just about that size and I'm going to fill it with color like that. And now I'm going to rotate it so it looks like it's an arrow pointing left. So I'm going to tap on rotate and I'm going to rotate like that. So I'm dragging and then using the arrow, I want to move it into the middle and I'm going to name it by tapping where it says character. I'm going to type in there L-E-F-T for left. Once I've finished, I tap on the tick and there's my left arrow. I'm going to move that down to here and I'm going to add a second for my right arrow. So I'm going to tap on plus and I'm going to tap on the paintbrush and I'm going to draw another, oops, I don't want that color. I'm going to change that to a green. So I'm going to draw a green triangle about the same size as my first one and I'm going to give it a filled green and again rotate it so it looks like it's pointing right. Whoops. And then using the move tool I can move it into the middle. Again, rename it, call it right and then tap on the tick and there's my second button. So I tap on the orange for left and the green for right. So now I'm going to begin coding my new sprite. So I'm going to first go back to my left and I want it to do this. I want it to send a message to my rocket to start moving left. Okay, so we need a special block here called the when tapped. So I'm going to drag that. It's in my yellow blocks here and I'm going to drag that onto my code area. And now what it's going to do, it's going to send a message and because it's an orange sprite, I've colored it orange, it's going to send an orange colored message. And there's my orange message. And then I want it to stop sending. So I'm going to drag the red stop block. Okay, so that's my left arrow program. Now onto my right arrow and I'm going to do very similar. I'm going to go to my green blocks. I'm going again when tapped. This time I'm going to send an orange message. So there, a green message, sorry. There's my green message. And again, I want it to stop. Soon as it's been tapped, it will send one message. Okay, so where are those messages going to go? They're going to go to my rocket. So I go to tap on my rocket. Now, in the yellow blocks just here, you've got when received. So there's my when received message. Can you see it looks like a letter inside an envelope? And now you can choose which color. So again, I've used an orange sprite, so I want that when received orange message, I want my sprite to turn left or go left. So I go in my direction and I want to use the left arrow like that. Okay, and then for my right sprite message, I need to go again onto my yellow blocks and I want to use the when received green message. So I tap on the arrow, I'm looking for the green message and this time I want it to go right. So there is my right message. Okay, so let's try and see if that works. So I'm going to go full screen, press my green flag and then oops, game over. I'll make my game a little bit easier to play. Again, I need to move my rocket into the middle and then when I press the green flag and I'm tapping on my green and orange button and I'm moving left and right. Isn't that cool? And that is how you control your rocket. Now what your challenge is to do now is to add some more sprites that move across your space area because at the moment it's a little bit too easy to play. So try that and see how you get on and I look forward to seeing your games working. Take care and see you soon.